Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 146 Laravel 11 add or remove multiple input field with jQuery tutorial, and this part 4. Let's start this video. First of all, this is my official website www.errorsolution.com. Let's start this video. Inside this is available gem folder, already gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin successfully working fine, and this is a database name is a real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this list of table is available, and this my project is available day drive inside this gem folder, inside this stdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this directory inside cmd open. Successfully open this cmd, good working. Let's run php artisan server, successfully. This is a run, please wait. Successfully working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a database, Miss Laravel tab latest version. This URL is successfully working fine. And my project, let's open this route inside this web.php open, and this is a controller. This controller is available controller inside this category controller app http controller, and this is a category controller. This is a available category controller, and this function is already write down. This check this previous already same here, copy and slash paste here. Successfully working this form. This is add inside this multiple implementation. This is add inside this implementation. This is the index function, and this is the index function is available. This is a view inside this add more file is available. Add more. This is a add more is available, good working. Please write down this is a file, and this jQuery file implement inside css2 file css implementation. Please write down this file. This implementation, this is a first of all, this is a button. This button name is a add more. Inside this is a implementation, otherwise not a work. Add more button, same here, step by step implementation. This is a copy. This variable is available. This variable, this add more, and this bt, and this variable same variable is a copy, and this is a inside this is a implementation. This is a body tag. Inside this is a script $document dot ready and function. This function and close this, and this is a I tag is a create. This is a I tag, otherwise dollar, and this is a paste here. This is a paste here, and this button is a paste here. Same button is available inside this is a implementation. This button is available. This button add more. This is a add more is available. This is a add more button in this class is a implementation, and this is a click function in e default private directory, and this is a close e dot private default, and this is a close. I tag is a implement I is equal to, and this paste here dollar key, save file, and this is a close this, and this is a I plus, and this close. Again this same here dollar dot table add more body, and this is available. This table inside this same name is a copy this implementation. This is already copy, and this class here, paste here, successfully paste. Click function E, not a function, this is a append, not a append, this is a append. This remove, this not use append. Append set, append, this is my spelling mistake, this is a append. All good, this is append, please write down. Inside this is the implementation tr, and tr is a close, this tr is a close, tr and this close, and this is a td, and this is a td is a close, td. Input type is number, number is a set, name is a close, only name is a not available in this blank, and this class is equal to form controller, control form controller, and this placeholder, placeholder, this is a placeholder is a quantity, is equal to, this is a quantity set, and this first is a successful implementation, second is as it is a copy, and this is a paste here inside, this is a paste here, this is the input is a number, number is a good, next name is a close form controller, and this is a last is a price. Price, all good. Let's check this button, button is a save file, and refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. This undefined key id, let's $undefined key id, check this $undefined key, and this PSP key is a implementation. The same here, inside this PSP key is a implementation. This T body, inside this is a $PSP END PSP. $key is equal to 0. Save file. Successfully set. Let's run this page. This is the implementation. Refresh this page. Let's add more. Successfully this is a set. Good working. This let's again refresh this page, and this is a remove. All good. Let's click this, click this, click this. Successfully set, and they refresh this page, and this blank, and this is a button is a not available, delete button. Let's delete button is a implementation. This is a write down. First of all, this table inside this implement, and this button inside this implement, and let's delete button is a set inside this delete button is a set, otherwise delete button is a not a show. Let's button td and td close, button but, button class btn danger btn sm btn added dot more rm, I tag is a start I, and this is a I is a close. Class fa trust set, trs trust set, and this is a successfully inside this button is a start, and this is a button is a tag after is a close this button tag. Save file, and this is a close. And this is the function is a close. Inside the same here, this is the implementation same class rm btn add more div same copy, and this is a dollar document on click, and this paste here dot paste here function, and this is a paste here. Close this, $this dot parents and tr dot remove, and this is a close. Save file, successfully save file. This is a button inside, this is a already implementation. This is a button in the same name is available, this same name is available, this different name. Please write down. Let's refresh this page, and this add successfully available, remove, this is available and remove, and this is a add, this is a add successfully available. Inside this remove, and this is a remove. Multiple field is a implementation. Good working. This is a part video is a done. This is a please step by step write down. This is a step by step write down. Inside this is implement this command, and this is tr in this remove all. Good. Please step by step write down. Only simple way is a jQuery is available. Good working. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website. We are here to help 24/7. I am always available. Lost of project is available. My channel, subscribe and follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.